Hello, and thank you for choosing KennelLink. Welcome to the tutorial on grooming reservations. Today I'll walk you through the life cycle of a grooming reservation from when you create it to when you check the pet out. We'll start on the home page of your KennelLink website. Click on the link under the Grooming section that reads Make Reservation by Pet. On this page, you have four options. You can enter part of the customer's last name, part of the customer's phone number, part of the pet's name, or a full email address. I'm going to enter part of the customer's last name. The customer I'm making this reservation for is Angie Johnson. The pet I want to make this reservation for is Diamond. This page shows you 4 rows of information. It's customizable for your facility. In the first row, Animal, Dog is automatically selected because Diamond's pet information page lists her as a dog. The second row, Grooming, allows you to select what grooming services you want this pet to have. Groom is already selected because Diamond has been groomed here before. Because her breed is listed in her information, it's already selected. In the third row, Extras, you can indicate if this pet needs extra services. Diamond doesn't need any of these, so I'm going to leave it as it is. In the fourth field, Groomer, you can indicate if this customer prefers a particular groomer. Selecting a preferred groomer will filter the dates shown on the next page to days when that groomer is working. This customer doesn't have a preference, so I'm going to leave no preference selected. When you're done with the settings on this page, click Next. This page shows you the expected charge to the customer for the grooming service and the upcoming dates where groomers are available. The page shows the first 2 available dates, but it can be customized to show more. At the top of the page, it tells you that the first available appointment is Wednesday, August 7th, 2019. Angie wants Diamond groomed as soon as possible, so I'll look at the available times on the 7th. I can change the appointment length in this box, but this grooming appointment should take 30 minutes, so I'll leave it as it is. In this section, on the left, the time not yet committed to grooming reservations on August 7th is shown in green. As groomers' schedules fill up, it will change to other colors. Each groomer has their own hours in their color-coded row, and there's also a row for non-preferred. This column shows the total number of hours in which groomers are available. If Angie has a specific time when she will drop Diamond off and pick her up, you can enter those times here, but that information is optional. Since August 7th works with Angie's schedule, I'll reserve an appointment on that day by clicking this button. That will create the reservation. This page lets you know the grooming reservation has been made for Angie Johnson's pet, Diamond, and gives you details like when the reservation was made and the pet's planned arrival date for the reservation. It also shows you if the pet's vaccinations are up to date, the services for this reservation, and the estimated total to be charged to the customer. From here you have several options, but since all you wanted to do was make a grooming reservation, I'm going to click Home to return to the home page. Now that we've made a grooming reservation, we can see that reservation and any others made for today by clicking Who's Being Groomed Today under the Grooming section. On this page, you'll see all the grooming reservations made for today. The ones shown in color correspond to the customer's preference or the groomer you have assigned. Angie just brought Diamond into our facility, so I'm going to click here to check in the pet. On this page, you'll see details about the customer, pet, and grooming reservation. Once everything is correct, click Next. Here, you will select the time when Diamond checked in. It defaults to the current time, but can be manually changed. You can select a departure time, but that's optional. Now I'm going to check Diamond in by clicking Check In. This page tells you that the check-in is complete. Now you can return to the home page, add this reservation to the customer's bill, or return to the report on the previous page. I'm going to return to the report. Groomers can use this report to see their next client or charge for a pet they've groomed utilizing the Groomer drop-down menu. Now I'm going to add this grooming reservation to the customer's bill. On this page, you can enter details about the grooming reservation before recording fees. You need to enter which groomer groomed Diamond in this box. I'll select Heather. If any additional services were performed, you can indicate that in this field and add additional charges. The total will appear here. Once everything is set the way you want it, you can record fees and check out, reset, go back, or cancel and return to the home page. I'm going to record fees. This page tells you the grooming is now complete and the customer now owes you $50 for the appointment. You have several options, but I'm going to return to the home page. Now that Diamond has been groomed, Angie can pick her up. When Angie arrives, you can go to the grooming section again and click on who's being groomed today. Now you can check out or show the bill. I'm going to check the pet out to indicate that she has left the shop. Make sure the checkout time is correct and click Checkout to check Diamond out. This page confirms the pet has checked out and reminds you that the customer owes you for the visit. Here, you might go to the bill and collect payment. I'm going to return to the home page. This concludes the tutorial on the life cycle of a grooming reservation. Again, thank you for choosing KennelLink.